So guys, it is raining like crazy outside. California is not the sunny state anymore for right now. Today we're gonna hang out in the van, relax. The rain is making it relaxing, which is great. Nothing wrong about that. And since I can't and really don't want to go outside, I'm just gonna do a few things here in the van. If you left already, I don't blame you. Or if you're wearing headphones. I don't want to say it's sunny, but it stopped raining and I'm getting some solar, so that's really nice. The stuff that makes us happy in a van. So I'm gonna take this rare opportunity to go for a walk before it starts raining again. Road closed. You want to see why? Look at that. I've never seen it this big at this park. This is huge. It rained a lot, guys. Like, I'm not joking. This, in the summer or when it's not raining, it's completely dry. Oh yeah. Come to Papa. This has a lot of protein because it has the avocado, it has a little bit of egg, then the lentil, and then mushrooms. They have a little bit, but yeah, it's definitely a lot of protein in here. This is good. I made a lot, so I think this is gonna last me a whole week. Lately, I've done some renovations in a van. I'm actually in the middle of just finishing some renovations because improvements need to be made. And I got this countertop here and I bought this oil with it because it's unfinished. It does say to apply 3 to 4 times. I did that. However, I don't think it was enough because as you can see, water droplets kind of affected it. So I'm going to reapply a few times today and hopefully it stops taking the oil and I also don't run out of oil. So I am gonna have to detach the sink. The sink is not glued in just yet because of that. Here's a thinner part of it and this needs to be oiled really well. Because there's gonna be around the sink, there's gonna be water and stuff like that. I don't want this to break over time. Ask me how I know that. The last one that I had broke right here. So I'm gonna take the sink out, which is a pain, but I have to get that done. I'm also going to make a specific video on the renovations that I'm doing or have done to the van after I am actually done with everything, and I'll go through it. There's a lot of exciting things happening, but I find myself not having enough time to get them done. Little by little, it's gonna get done. I also don't have a specific space to get some of the stuff done. It's one of those do it where I can, while I can. I'm not an expert, so don't follow my advice on this. This is just something that I wanted myself rather than hire somebody to do. Wish me luck. This is dirty work right here. That's the drain that I have, and I'm gonna have to like take out the sink, and there's gonna be dirty water in there. Alright, I think we're in luck. I think I got some of it out, so it's gonna stay put as long as I'm careful. These sides need to stop taking oil before I can actually mount the sink and glue it together. Trying to build vans. This is a small space that often we have to deal with when we're putting stuff together, so it's very hard to work in, and yeah, you need a lot of patience. Just using a old sock to get this done. The sock is clean, but I don't have the other one, so this is gonna serve its purpose. Super weird how it takes stuff in patches. This is all over, and I try to oil it as even as possible. However, like some of the sections suck down the oil really quickly. Alright, first off, I got my liquid nails here. This liquid nail thing is no joke, it's like super thick. I should have read more on the box. Hopefully it's really strong because it's really hard to get out. Super thick. Phew! It's so thick, if you can see, this doesn't stay in. Like it bends the whole gun. I'm sure some of you are gonna tell me in the comments that I'm doing it wrong. But Jesus, look at that. Oh, it barely comes out. Woo! Now to seal this, I just have this clear coat silicone. Made multiple holes in there. It's gotta come out. Come on. This is it, that's still drying. I do love the color the oil brings out of this butcher block table. You know, I just got this book I like to read once in a while. It's called The Anatomy of Story, and it's by John Truby. It's 22 steps to becoming a master storyteller. I've heard really good things about it, so I figured I'd pick one up. I'm not looking to write anything, but it should definitely help me with telling better stories for YouTube, for these videos. Check out this video up here if you want to see more van life related content. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!